Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muhammad Sani Ibrahim Abba. I'm here with you to give you a brief biography of the Honorable Minister of Information Communication Technology of Nigeria, Dr. Isa Ali Ibrahim Pantami. But please, before you do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed the video, you share, you like, and comment. Thank you. The Honorable Minister of Information Technology, Dr. Isa Ali Ibrahim Fantami, was born on 20th October 1972 in Gombe State, Nigeria. His mother was Hajia Amina Umar Aliyu and his father was Alhaji Ali Ibrahim Fantami. He started his education by attending traditional school for memorizing the Holy Quran called Sangaya School. He spent more than 4 years in the school. He later joined primary school in Fantami. He attended Government Science Secondary School in Gombe. After his secondary education, he spent additional 2 years seeking for more religious knowledge before moving to the university. He studied computer science at ATBU Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University in Bauchi, Nigeria, gaining a BTech in 2003 session and an MSc, which is Masters in 2008, before obtaining a PhD from Robert Gordon University, Aberdeen, Scotland. He spent his life pursuing both formal and informal education by switching from one form to another. He is also trained on digital transformation in Harvard University, USA, United States of America, then management strategy in both Massachusetts Institute of Technology and Institute of Management Development in Lausanne, Switzerland. He was also in Cambridge University Upper Management Program. Among others, Pantami lectured at Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University in Information Technology before joining to the Islamic University of Medina as head of technical writing in 2014. He was appointed as the Director General (CEO) of the National Information Technology Development Agency (NITDA). He was confirmed by President Muhammadu Buhari as part of 13 newly appointed chief executives for 13 government agencies. His directives for NITDA, which is the National Information Technology Development Agency, of whom employment was to develop the ICT infrastructure in the Northeast in the aftermath of the disrupted caused by Boko Haram insurgency. Shortly after the WannaCry ransom attack, he organized the second annual conference on financial fraud and cybercrime in Abuja with the Federal Ministry of Justice and private sector's partners. He also initiated the Nigerian National Public Key Infrastructure (PKI) program and went into a security partnership with ESET, an IT security company that offers antivirus and firewall products. Fantami received an award as the ICT Promoter of the Year 2017 in London by the Nigerian in recognition of positive contributions to the ICT revolution in Nigeria, youth empowerment and good governance. Within 2 years of his stewardship, he has received over 50 awards and recognition both within and outside Nigeria. Dr. Isa Ali Ibrahim Pantami is a fellow of both British Computer Society, which is FBCS, and Nigerian Computer Society, FNCS. He also has many fellowships to his credit. Fantami is a Jum'ah chief imam who has been leading the Jum'ah prayer for over 20 years in both Nigeria and in the United Kingdom, which is London, UK. He serves as a member of Sharia Board of Jaiz Bank. He is also a Shura member and Deputy Secretary General of the Supreme Council for Sharia (SCS) in Nigeria. He was educated in Islam by scholars including Muhammad Umar Fallata, Muhammad ibn al-Uthaymin, and Abdul Muhsin ibn Abbad. He is also the chairman of Board of Trustees of Al-Huda Islamiyya and Mosque Foundation and a member of Secretary of Bauchi State Elders Advisory Committee and Bauchi State National Quranic Competition Committee Musabaqa, among other committees. Fantami authored more than dozens of books on ICT STEM, technology, politics, and community reconciliation, religion and peaceful coexistence, as well as over 20 publications in international journals, including the International Journal of Innovation Research in Engineering and Management, Macrotheme Review, and International Journal of Computer and Information Technology. Religious books authored by him includes Islam and Politics, Synonymity or Dichotomy, The Essential of Marriage in Establishing an Ideal Family, Months of the Quran and its Baitures, and the 63 Steps of Performing an Acceptable Hajj or Pilgrims, and its spiritual and moral lessons. On 23rd July of this year, 2019, he was declared in the list of new ministerial nominees of President Muhammadu Buhari. He is now the Honorable Minister of Communication, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Fantami also preached and performed tafsir in the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria, Abuja, at Wuse 2 Mosques, and still now Pantami is the Honorable Minister of Information Communication Technology. May God keep our country peaceful, clean, and our economy should be great more than it is before. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to access for more videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you.